guys, it's me. I am back. I am back to our business. I could be doing something else than wasting my time doing this. But like I said, I'm not fussed. So yeah. So, like I said, I'm going to show you something. As you can see there. That is where we've got to so far. So like I said, yeah. So remember, I'm on Facebook, it's Aaron Ogden. Okay. If you want any questions answering, go to www.facebook.com. No, just go to www.facebook.com. When you get